Protect your data in real time with iDrive Continuous Data Protection. In the iDrive application, browse through the folder directory, select any file, and include it in your default backup set. Then, activate the option for CDP located under the Settings tab. If you wish to customize the frequency of backups, set any duration as preferred: real time, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. Don't forget to save the settings. Every time you modify a file included in your default backup set and save it, the CDP feature of iDrive backs up the modified file in real time and saves it as the next version. Modify a file and save it a couple of times. Now go to the Restore tab, where you will see that every backed up file has an associated version number. You will find that without performing any backup, there is an increase in the versions of the backed up file.